Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I am Alisha. Hi, and I do makeup, lifestyle and haul videos in my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I got from Miniso couple of days ago. So yeah, without rambling any further, let's start with the video. First of all, let's start with this cream. I got this cream. It's a aloe vera moisturizing cream and it cost me about 460 or that range. I will link all the prices of the products in the description box below. Let's open this. Wow guys, look at the packaging, so cute. This is how it looks from the inside. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, I have not tried this yet. I will try it and let you guys know what I think about it. And the other thing I got was this cleansing device. I hope it's good. Let's open this. This is how it looks like. I don't know. We have to insert a battery in here. There is no battery in here. So I'll let you guys know how this performs. Yeah. And I got this cute mirror. So guys, this looks something like this. So cute. Pinkish. It has a iridescent shift to it. And from inside it looks something like this. That's it. And I bought this razor. I don't know how it is. It has 5 razors in one packet. Yeah. And I bought this brushes. I use them today. It's very soft. I love it. This was in a single piece and this too was in a set. And I brought this body mist. Wow, it smells so good. It reminds me of Victoria's Secret's body mist. So good. Can't wait to use it. And I bought this 2 polishes. One is in sunshine based peel off nail polish in burgundy red. And the other one is in water based nail polish in color peach. This is the sparkly one. And last but not the least, I bought this eyebrow pencil. It looks something like this. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's very affordable and very good. It looks something like this and it's in the shade light coffee. Yeah guys, this is up with the haul. It is a short haul. I didn't bring too much stuff. There is a more skincare and face masks as well, but I didn't think I will use it, so I have not bought it. Yeah guys, if you liked and enjoyed my video, please hit a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to stay updated with the future videos. Yeah guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.